Hey guys, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to be customizing these Adidas slides. So pretty much I took masking tape, put it all around the shoe so paint doesn't get on the black stripes. And this is how I started working on this one. Excuse my nails, I got like blue hair dye in my hair. But I started working on this one and I'm using these colors over here, hot pink and metallic silver. And once I get a couple coats, it's definitely gonna look different. This is only using one coat, and I'm gonna do both of these because this is a tedious process, coating it, letting it dry, coating it, letting it dry. So I'm gonna be doing that first. Then I'm gonna come back to y'all and show y'all how I do the glitter. So these are the two glitters. Of course, the glitter of the pink is gonna go on the pink stripe, and this is like metallic, and it's gonna go on the silver, and finish it off with some rhinestones. So yeah, stay tuned if you guys are interested in this video. Okay guys, so one shoe is complete with the glitter. It is like a 3-step process, so just tune in and I'm gonna show you exactly how I get the glitter to seal, so it kind of stays like this for a long period of time. Even if it's raining, your glitter won't come off. So yeah, just stay tuned. So in this first step, I am applying E6000 glue all over the stripe part of the shoe that I am going to be adding glitter to. I am also using like an old paintbrush, something that I used in the past that was very stiff because I already did this process before. So just use a paintbrush so you can smooth out the glue onto the shoe. Now I'm just going over with the holographic glitter, and I'm just going over the parts that I applied the glue. Next, I'm taking another paintbrush that is not stiff, pretty much a new one, and just cleaning off all the excess glitter that's on the side of the shoe and that's not stuck to any glue. Then I take E6000, but this is the spray version, so it's very watery, so I put it in a cup and then I apply it all over the glitter, and then I add some more glitter on top of that. Then the next step is taking Mod Podge, which is a sealer. So I put Mod Podge in a cup with a little bit of water and glitter, and I'm also applying that over. But remember guys, all this is being done in between drying time. So with the glue, it doesn't take that long to dry and you can apply more. So I want to say like 15 minutes tops or something like that. I go back and apply. Okay guys, I'm starting the bling out. Okay, these came out so cute. So this is the before and after. You can add the rhinestones if you like. You don't have to. You can leave it plain like this. The glitter will stay once you seal it. But since it's my mom's birthday, I'm actually blinging it out for her. So yeah, I'm gonna do the extra work. Just wanted to let you guys know that this is the next day. So the glue was completely dry, and I added some more glue on top of the glitter, spread it out with the brush, and then I used the pick-me-up stick to pick up the rhinestones and place them on the shoe. So you could do this with tweezers. I still kind of fumble with them, but the pick-me-up stick has a little sticky end that makes applying these rhinestones so much easier. So that's pretty much all there to it. I would like to make a fast sped up video so you can see me do the entire shoe, but unfortunately I don't have that much space on my phone, nor do I want to record the whole process. My back is killing me, so I'm going to go ahead, get comfortable, finish the whole shoe, and then come back to you with both slides. Okay guys, thank you guys for watching. This is the final look. So yeah, if you're really messing with them, go ahead, thumbs up this video, comment, subscribe. Let me know if you want to see more of these type of videos. Try my best. But yeah, thank you.